There is a very specific turning point where traders stop losing, and it has nothing to do with indicators, strategies, or win rates. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what changes, why most traders never reach this point, and what Mark Douglas was really talking about, but most people completely misunderstood. If you're still stuck in cycles of wins followed by bigger losses, this video will hit uncomfortably close to home. This is the turning point where every trader finally stops losing. Most traders believe losing stops when they find the right strategy. That belief alone is why they stay stuck for years. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Losing doesn't stop when your strategy improves. Losing stops when you change how you experience uncertainty. You can copy a profitable trader's system, risk management rules, even their entries, and still lose money consistently. Because trading success is not about prediction. It's about how you respond when you are wrong. And until that response changes, nothing else matters. Let me describe a cycle that most traders are trapped in. See if this sounds familiar. You take a loss. You tell yourself, that was fine. But emotionally, it wasn't fine. You take the next trade slightly differently. You hesitate, or you rush. Then you win, and you feel relief, not confidence. That relief becomes dangerous. You size up. You stop following rules perfectly, and one loss wipes out 3 wins. That cycle is not a strategy problem. It's a psychological debt problem. Mark Douglas explained this perfectly, but most traders read the words without absorbing the meaning. Mark Douglas said, "Anything can happen." Traders repeat this quote. They nod their heads. Then they go back to trading like they don't believe it. Saying anything can happen intellectually is not the same as accepting it emotionally. Emotional acceptance means you no longer need a trade to work. You no longer feel violated by losses. You no longer associate losses with personal failure. Until that happens, your brain will sabotage execution, even with a profitable system. This is where the turning point begins. The turning point where traders stop losing is not when they start winning more. It's when losing stops hurting their identity. Profitable traders don't hate losses. They don't fear them. They don't fight them. Losses become boring. That boredom is dangerous for losing traders, but it's freedom for professionals. The moment you stop emotionally reacting to losses, your execution stabilizes. Your risk becomes consistent. Your edge finally has room to play out. Most traders think they lack discipline. They don't. They lack emotional neutrality. Discipline collapses when you're trying to avoid pain. You're trying to prove something. You're trying to recover losses. Discipline only works when outcomes don't define you. Risk is emotionally accepted before the trade. You trust probability over individual outcomes. That's why forcing discipline never works long-term. Here are the 3 things that change at the turning point. 1. Risk becomes emotionally fixed. You don't adjust risk based on confidence or fear. You accept your loss before clicking buy or sell. 2. Execution becomes mechanical. You stop thinking during trades. Thinking is for analysis, not execution. 3. Results stop controlling behavior. Wins don't excite you. Losses don't discourage you. You focus on process consistency. This is when traders quietly become profitable, without dramatic moments. Here's the cruel part. Most traders quit right before this shift happens. Because the phase before profitability feels emotionally numb, boring, unrewarding. You're no longer chasing dopamine, but you're not profitable yet. This is the hardest phase. But if you survive it, you cross the line most traders never do. So what do you do if you're stuck right now? If you're still losing, stop searching for strategies. Start auditing reactions. Ask yourself, do losses change how I trade the next setup? Do wins make me careless? Do I feel the need to be right? If yes, you're not broken. You're just not at the turning point yet. And that's okay. The market doesn't reward intelligence. It rewards emotional consistency. The moment you stop fighting uncertainty is the moment trading stops fighting you. That is the turning point where traders finally stop losing. If this video resonated with you, let me know in the comments. Where do you think you are in your trading journey right now? And if you want more content focused on real trading psychology, not hype, subscribe. This channel is for traders who are done lying to themselves.